All right, so we're here. This is the dirt in Colorado. We've started the driveway. So we've got our county mandated culvert right here. We've started clearing the way for the driveway. Now, the driveway is much bigger than I thought it was gonna be. I really kind of wanted it to just stop, but it's 2 acres, and what we want to try to do is get up a little bit higher so that we can see some of the mountain views. So we kept going. We kept just going. Kept going. As you can see, currently, it's a 1 bathroom, 0 bedroom, 0 roof property. Spared no expense. There's been a lot of tree clearing. I think it's going to be firewood for days. But we keep going. I think this is going to be a lot to shovel. Like, I think this is going to be a plow situation. I couldn't imagine shoveling all that. But we've got the dump trucks and the Bobcat, some tree attachment thingy he's got going to just rip the trees out. Septic field's gonna go here. It's some advanced septic system, but this is gonna be the leach field, and we're thinking septic will go here. Well, obviously septic's gonna go here. This is where the engineering firm said it's gotta go. It'll go here. We're thinking right where this pile of dirt and trees are. You can't see it right now, but you got really nice mountain views. We're probably gonna put the house right here. So you'll drive up through the driveway, septic will be here. We still got to get the well drilled, but this is a lot of progress for 1 week of excavation. I'm really pleased with just how much he's gotten done in a week. Really good guy. After the first guy bailed on us, talked to this one guy for over a year. Said, hey, you think we can get this done this year? Think you could show up? Never showed up, never called, never gave me prices, just kept sending me a text. Yeah, maybe. But actually, the person that helped us find this land was like, hey, you should give this guy a call. He might be able to help you. 2 days later, he was out here making it happen. So septic permit's done. Got to get approved. Driveway permit was approved. We just got to do our final inspection when it's done. But as far as a week goes, we're August 2023 right now. Driveway permit expires in October. So as long as all this is done by October, I don't care. I think it's great progress. Hopefully the next time you see more.